In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a website to Hostinger step by step. Whether you've built your site using HTML, PHP, or exported it from another platform, this guide will help you get it live quickly and correctly. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I'll walk you through everything in a simple and clear way. By the end of this video, your website will be uploaded and accessible on your domain. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and hosting tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first step is to prepare your website files properly. Before uploading anything to Hostinger, make sure your website has an index.html or index.php file. This is very important because this file acts as the home page of your website. When someone visits your domain, this is the file that loads automatically. Next, put all of your website files into one single folder. This includes your HTML files, CSS files, JavaScript files, images, and any other assets your site uses. Once everything is inside one main folder, right-click on that folder and compress it into a zip file. For example, you can name it mysite.zip. Zipping the folder makes the upload process much faster and keeps your file structure organized. Now that your files are ready, the next step is to log into Hostinger. Go to hostinger.com and sign in to your account. After logging in, click on Websites from your dashboard. If you haven't added your domain yet, click Add Website and select the option for a custom PHP or HTML website. Then choose the domain name where you want to upload your site. Once you select your domain, wait for the hosting dashboard to finish loading. After your website dashboard loads, go to the left side menu and click on Files, then select File Manager. This is where all your website files are stored. Inside the File Manager, open the folder called public_HTML. This is the most important directory because it is your live website folder. Any files placed inside public_HTML will be accessible from your domain. If there are any default files inside this folder that you don't need, you can delete them before uploading your own website files. Next, it's time to upload your zip file. Inside the public_HTML folder, click the Upload Files button at the top of the screen. Select the zip file you created earlier, such as mysite.zip, and confirm the upload. Depending on the size of your website, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Wait until the upload is fully completed before moving to the next step. Once the file appears inside public_HTML, click on the zip file to select it, then click Extract. Make sure the extraction path is set to public_HTML, so your files are placed directly inside this folder. After extraction is complete, you should see your index.html or index.php file directly inside public_HTML, not inside another nested folder. If your files are inside an extra folder, move them up one level so they sit directly in public_HTML. Finally, it's time to test your website. Open a new browser tab and type your domain name into the address bar. Press Enter and your website should load. If it doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache. Once your site loads correctly, congratulations, you have successfully uploaded your website to Hostinger. That's it for this tutorial. You now know how to properly prepare your files, upload them, extract them, and make your website live on Hostinger. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple and practical hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you